we're going to take a look at the first section of review, and we're reviewing for day one of the state exam tomorrow. And I'm going to do one of these problems for you, and then you guys are going to work on your own. When you're done with one section, you'll raise your hand, and either Mr. Marino or myself will come over and see how you did. And just to be very, very clear, you may not listen to music or go on any other websites during this time. We're really going to be focusing on practicing for our exam tomorrow, which you guys have been working really hard on. So let's take a look at number one. At Lumber City Rock Climbing Gym, people pay a flat fee of $7.50 and then an additional $2.25 per hour to climb. Gino and his older sister Angie go climbing one Saturday. Only Angie climbs for 50% longer than Gino. If Gino climbed for a total of 2 hours, how much money did it cost for both of them to climb on Saturday? Okay, well, it's a good thing I read all of my problems more than once because there's no way I would be able to understand this problem without reading through it again. So I'm going to read through it again. This time we're going to do our annotations. At Lumber City Rock Climbing Gym, people pay a flat fee of $7.50, and that's a flat fee. And then an additional $2.25 per hour to climb. So I know that this is $2.25 per hour. I know that this is a price that could go up or down depending on how long I climb. Gino and his older sister Angie go climbing one Saturday. Only Angie climbs for 50% longer than Gino. If Gino climbed for a total of 2 hours, how much money did it cost for both of them to climb on Saturday? Okay, so why do I make a key information box? I want to make sure that I understand everything that's happening here. Okay, so I know that I have my flat fee of $7.50. Okay, that they're going to each pay at one time. Okay, so this is flat. And I know that it's $2.25 per hour. All right, and so I know that Gino he climbed for 2 hours. Angie climbed for 50% more, meaning that Angie climbed for 3 hours, right? Because 50% of 2 hours is 1 hour, and I'll add that on, okay? So I have two climbs, and so I'm going to do two different equations for the climb. The equation's going to be the same, but what I put in for my number of hours is going to be different. So let me draw a little line down here. I'll start with Gino. Okay, so Gino paid $7.50 plus 2 times $2.25. Okay, and that's how much, sorry, whoops, sorry, $2.25, I wrote 2.5, 2.25. All right, so I'm going to use my calculator, and I'm going to say 750 times 2. Oh, sorry. I'm going to do the order of operations. I'm going to go 2 times 2.25, and that's going to give me 450. And then I'll add his flat fee in here of 750. So I have 750 plus 450. And that's going to give me $12. So Gino cost $12. Okay, I'll go ahead and, oops, erase this 0 here. My eraser's not working. All right, so it's $12. My eraser's not working. All right, so now let's do Angie. All right, so Angie also had that 750 flat fee, but she went rock climbing for 3 hours, so that's 3 times 225. When I do 3 times 225, I'm going to get $6.75 plus that 750 flat fee. And I'll do 750 plus 675. And that's going to give me $14.25. Okay. When I add together $12 plus $14.25, I'll do that over here. $14.25 plus 12. I'm going to get $26.25. All right. And that is my answer B. $26.25.